Jifu Enterprise was founded in 1979, more than 40 years, and our product is automatic tool changers and milling heads. We have been playing a leading role in high-end customized products in the world. And under threat of COVID-19, Jifu is one of the members of Taiwan team of face mask manufacturing to help the government to produce the face mask for the people of Taiwan. Our intellectual multi-layered tool storage management system integrates the manufacturer supply chain and intelligence monitoring system, and not only fulfill customers' requirements of flexible manufacturing and digital monitoring management, but also enables customers' products to equip with the functions of predictive maintenance and failure management. It owns 3 Taiwan new patents: adjustable tool disc structure, layer magazine structure, and tool management device, and combined with 6 intelligent systems: intellectual dual detective and predictive device, intellectual paced moving device, predictive maintenance system for driven mechanism, visualized tool management, anti-tool confusion assembly, repair lifetime predictive and maintenance assembly. The spur performance and innovative design lead to our system winning 2020 Taiwan Excellence Award, which represents Jifu's innovative technique being recognized by Taiwanese government. In the future, Jifu will keep developing more high-end products and exploring blue sea market based on our past experience that we have to market MIT to the world. And hopefully one day we can gain a reputation of world machine supplier for Taiwan.